Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of data structure. Myself, Janish Shah, your instructor. See, our today's topic is subject introduction, or we can say that what we are going to study in this subject. Okay, and what is the major importance of this subject. So let's begin. The first questions coming in your mind that, sir, what do you mean by data structure? Okay, students, just tell me, do you know what do you mean by the data? Data is one like a piece of information, right? So when you are doing any operation on data, before that you need data. You need to retrieve data or you need to store that data. So suppose if I want to do analysis of Virat Kohli's last match, okay, then what I need to do? I need to collect its data, like what, how many sixes or fours are there, okay, how many twos are there. So such type of data I need to collect from the match. Fine. So what I need to do on that? I need to do analyze on that data just because once I have arranged it. So once I arrange the data properly in the database or once I arrange the data properly in the memory, then I can do any type of analysis. Fine. So here data structure is what? Let me explain you with this video. See, here just watch this video. Data structures. Students, imagine a situation. This is a classroom where one teacher is just taking the attendance. The students are not properly arranged. They are just sitting randomly. That one is here, two is there, three is here, and four is there. What happened? Sir need to see like here and there, just take the attendance. But now, what if the students are properly sitting like this? Okay, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what happens? So sir can easily take the attendance. So what is the main thing over here? That if students are properly sitting or the sitting arrangement of students are properly, like number 1 is at the first bench, number 2 is the second bench, number 3 at the third bench, so that sir can easily take the attendance. Same thing happens with data structure. If your data is properly arranged, then you can easily retrieve it. You can do any operation on it very efficient. Fine. That's why students, we need data structure. See, here it is another example. The example I'm going to take is book arrangement. Suppose you are in library and if you want to read the horror books, fine. Then you just, what you did, you just went to the horror section, take out any book from it and read it. But imagine a situation where in a library each and every book is not in their particular section. Like horror books are in movies section, comic books are in horror section. So data or books are not properly arranged. So students, the books are not properly arranged, then you are not able to find it out very efficient. Fine. That's why what we need librarian or any system through which we can easily arrange the books in a proper manner or proper fashion according to their cupboard or their category. Fine. So same like that, students, we need exactly structured data. Okay, we need structured data. So any operations if we want to perform on the data, we can easily do it. So that's why we need data structure. Now, next, students, the question coming in your mind that, sir, why we need data structure? So here are some benefits of it. If just imagine a situation, if in your home the things are properly arranged, then what happens? You can easily find it out. The same thing like will happen with the data structure. Data structure is used to handle the data efficiency. Then makes the algorithm much simpler and easier to understand and maintain. It makes algorithm faster. Next is base programming practice need the knowledge of data structure. Then allow the safe storage on the computer. The last is create impact on interviewer during the interview. Why I'm taking this sentence? You know that because in each and every interviewer about the data structure. He always used to check about your knowledge that do you have any perfect knowledge on data structure or not. He may give you the scenario and may ask you that which data structure I used over here. So data structure is very important topic, not only for the current semester or any current study, but it can be also useful for a further interview and job perspective. So let's start forward to the next topic. The next is what to study in data structure. So students, in our this video lecture series, we are going to study about the array, stack, queue, linked list, tree, graph, file and hashing and search engine. So here are the things that we need to learn in our this video lecture series. Now the next is any reference book for this, sir? Yes, definitely. Usually I prefer the reference book of Tata McGraw-Hill publication. The book name is Introduction to Data Structure, written by Tremblay and Sorensen. Please just see this figure and see the book front page. Okay, this book is very much useful for the gate purposes also, and to clear your interviews questionnaires and to get the deep knowledge in data structure. So next is which tools we are going to use for practicals. Students, if you know the language like C or C++, then Turbo C is the best. I can show you the practicals by using the code blocks. Code blocks is nothing but is an editor and IDE for your programming purpose. Rather than if you know any other language like Python or Java, and if you want to implement your code in that, then you can also. But for this video lecture series of data structure, I'm going to teach you in Turbo C or code blocks. Fine. So that's it from my side. So students, thank you for watching this. If you have any doubt in subject, then please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.